Be blessed and be transformed as the Jesus is Lord Church Worldwide brings you the following programs that carry the message of salvation, faith, and miracles. JIL Worship and Healing Service, Word for the Season, Worship, Word, and Wonders, Life Giver, Prayer Line, Jesus the Healer. Stay connected. Be the salt and light of this world. Tune in to JIL Church programs here on Light TV.
Abangan ngayong linggo sa Daylight Devotion kasama sina
Puno ng Diyos ang iyong buhay ng isang bagay na higit pa na mas malaki. Kapayapaan
mo ang lahat na nakasulat doon. Sa gayon, ikaw ay giginhawa o magiging
recognize these enemies. I-recognize natin ito araw-araw. Sapagkat sabi nga natin, umaga pa lamang, umaatake na.
You remains in me, and my words remains in you. Ask whatever you wish, and it will be given you. At sinabi rin po ng ating Panginoong Hesus, for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you, and not to harm you.
dito lang sa Light TV.
Buckle up! Monday nights just got more exciting with Road Trip Refueled.
Nandito na naman ang Road Trip Refueled para i-cheer up ka. Yon!
Let's dive in sa kwentuhan, tawanan at real talk moments na puno ng aral at inspirasyon mula sa Diyos.
Let go and let God be the driver of your life.
Discover the journey God designed for you. Road Trip Refueled, tuwing Lunes, 5 p.m. sa Light TV.
Ngayong gabi sa Light TV. Dito lang yan sa Light TV.
Up next, Shuffle on Light TV.
Susunod na programa ay rated PG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng patnubay at gabay ng magulang para sa mga batang manonood.